Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha.
Yes.
You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Oh, uya matinyina. Yeah, so uya. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Yeah. Uya matinyina. Uya matinyina. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen.
Okay, Maya.
Will you make one cover? 1, 2, 3.
Se adechi yen na yehu enkwase ya na eyenhyira na nyame de adom yen. Megye de se ene eda 2nd of June 2023 na ekire se afimu no emo achemienu na emo achemienu no. Megye de se ohwe fiti January ebedu sisebre ha no. Obetena se no wadwendwen wo ho se me ekọ ne sen. Obebese half of the year eya na opese ma account of nioma wetumi aye ana nioma eda wenim kwan ben na obefa so ede aye na ne nyina mu no asida ene enkwa ne ede be ma onyame na asre ne nkwa se ose amete no ebe dwumedi a efieda bia ye de ba ma kwan da bibiara wo meka se me ma o maache me ma onha me ma adwo na yesen hyiemu yi megye de se obeto nsa e de afro bi frɛ wadanfo bi frɛ wonua bi frɛ obi no mfrɛ obi se emre na so ye de dwumedie ne eba na dwumedie na ye de be emu ode emu ohwam na eye kokobɔ nso ema obi biara se wo UK abonten so na okita UK nkrata wasomu se ode kɔ na ode ba dia asemwe ekoma o metwa me ho sema meba sisi a meba ya ye de dwumedie no ebeto aso twɛn me meba.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
By 10 seconds.
Mesan ama ankrankra bia akwaba eba yedwumedi so aha ye BWF Solicitors legal so ene we megide se o hwe me na bia na o hwe me wo Facebook anampo obetimi ahwe me wo YouTube enye honko a obetimi nso ahwe me BW Radio treso obetimi tie me BW Radio ene abawa radio ni nyina ye twegu ukọ all the social media TikTok Instagram be bia ye wo hono obetimi enya yen na mesere se onya ba so a na ho menim pe na wa start se na o hye na amanse nyina enya bi ate ene nsem a ye de badua na mode na meka se mode no nso na eye kokobo esan se etode bi a onam na ye ka se obi onam otiase wo onenam ho na nso wewu na oka me pa kire sen onam nso no atabanya yede kọ ne yede ba embia na wodie no nim seta eda so etaretare ho obehun na etwitwa egu abra unim meba becheche mu na nsa na meba becheche mu mema akonya na yem papa lawyer Bernard enema kwatwe na aba no na onu ye embeka onfa nchia kese ema obi biara na odi nchia kese ema obi biara afedie ye de adwumedie no ebe hya ase na mede nsemfo akakra aba betudwa no eyi ano ama me uncle Ben pacho me ma good morning.
Hello, good morning, Manye. As I say,
Adomon kwa papa me hoye pacho nso
Yehoadom, ya sorry, I don't pay the natchez, Oma ye to me and qua, ye timmy animal bedin kita, when you're the yamiase.
yo me da simpacho me tuma na fa nchia kese ema etiefo na ahwefo na afedie yemfa adwumedie no enchas.
Okay, and your nom near Dofo and Nanom, a Janom, and Nam for a damunina say, I don't pay mwetimi abekaya home. Ye chechiamo, to da say, na sabio, the odrabe boredom, a yani kankeke, say, if you be brainy, mudi a chi, abekaya home, more munim media, munim say, since 1992. Ya shamosa, ya juma community lawyers. I nemo a dinkita ho. Na dia ya nika be brain say even after 31 years, still moko so a support to yen. Ade hia yen e yam mpa bo ade bia mo de maya ye dam ase. Yen simu form because of your relationship a ye wono muni ho a ye ne ho. E odo. Ti odo na mo de maya ene mo mpa bo no mo koso mo mpa no maya na hu hia se be maya nkwa ne nhira. Deɛ na yɛde ba no subject bi a maka ho asɛm da ama yɛ video no kɔ wiase ma fa na nyina kɔdi America ma me brother de sɛ na me a few weeks ni yɛkɔ event bi awa papa bi ba bisa so saa ɔhwɛ m'ani ma me na meyɛ saa video na sɛ ampa na yɛka biribi clause 9 sɛ yɛbɛtumi agye wo citizenship a yɛma wo notice ne saa de no yɛdi ho kɔneaba ade kɔɔ houses of parliament, house of lords ɔmo kɔka aborɔfo akɛseɛ ɛnya aba but ɛho nsusuaeɛ no na yɛbɛpɛ sɛ yɛde bɛto dwa categories a ɛwɔ mu sɛna ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ ɛbɛyɛ affect wo a wɔafiri Ghana, Nigeria, Togo abɛtena ha affect wo ba a wawo no wɔ ha affect wo nana sɛbe yɛn mu a ebi a nyame de yɛ baa ha akyɛ no ebi a na wɔwɔ nana wawo ba wɔ ha ma wo ba na wo ɔmo nyinaa de a yɛbɛka affect wo enti ɛyɛ crucial sɛ wobɛma wo dɔfo bi ate mempɛ sɛ obiara bɛbɔ hu because yɛbɛbuebue nneɛma ani so na moahu sɛ to a dɛn na wobɛyɛ because ɛbɛtumi ato manyɛ meto ma wo
Yo, Uncle Ben, me da se etu adan na obeye esan se ebetumi ato. Yo, etefo se mutie ya na mutie ye wo BWF Solicitors Legal Hour platform so na mutie ye efiri. Me gibi se wa ba so obeye asutie na wetie nkoma ye de ba. Ye befia de na ehu adekode no de tu anamon nti dodo amaba so me de ncha kese ema mo nyina wo ba so abomode ana share alasa is it corn Alisa of corn greetings Eric Kwabnas anti greetings Ajimain nana Ajimain Ajewa nana Ajimain sorry greetings me nyina me checha mo nyina che say mombo mode ana mo nkoso as time goes on no mebobɔ mo den me nua ba Sandra etisen ye bekoso na ye achiche ama obi a mesrɛ mo echiche me de nti wo nso bɔ mɔde ana share wo de share ne nkɔ afana nyina na yentumi nya nimdeɛ yo ne etie ne sɛ Uncle Ben always wasa enkwan no ofufuo no ho dada na menka asɛm kakra bi nkyerɛ mo kromo a ye wei ɛyɛ abrochi anase London abonte ana UK asase so na ye wɔ no nyama bebree na ɛkɔ so na obia botae sɛ oba kromo ha ne oba bɛyɛ adwuma na sɛbio ɔde ahwɛ na ebusua ne efie na ɔba a yɛmba kɛkɛ sɛ woba ya no astart or sɛ wopɛ nkratasɛm na wontumi ɛmfa nyɛ adwuma nkratasɛm no ultimate sɛ wobɛbɔ mmɔden no anya British citizenship because wonim sɛ no deɛ wabɛyɛ kurom hani na wode to anamo a ɛyɛ easy ɛne ɛyɛ nyinaa bɛdi adanseɛ wode to kwan a ɛyɛ de papapapa na mmom wenya no nso wabɛtena kurom a akyɛ wawo mba wawo nana wo nana kansua nana tete you've made your generation ebi kura third generation and fourth generation ɛwɔ kurom ha dodoɔ na ɛba akyɛ no enti no nim so wawo ɔmode nsihye bae wo nkwa wa ha ebi wa onya 7 years ye ma wo krata na afa wo de akɔgye kyerɛ sɛ kwan bebree ne yenim a wotumi fa so na wo benya British citizen na yenim sɛ ne wudu hɔ a wapem ene edo wudu hɔ a sesi a na nka ne yɛka sɛ book kɔkɔɔ onya book kɔkɔɔ na wapem sesi a de adane no sɛ blue sɛ tuntum onya mefe nenim but ne nyinaa mu ne sɛ dodo na ultimate decision and I say target ne say omenya sa book ne bi na mo de to anamo na yenkoti since last year mu yenkoti ye hwe video bra ye yes sa de ho enam kwan ba bia say wona ma sa ataban na ye de ama eye citizenship na wa beye no na wonim say wotumi de kɔ ba bia no wo de wonam o book no say wontu kwan a say wonkonkofa enhwem se enye se wo kɔ baabi na ebisa se ye pe photo ID a wo be use o British passport na onkɔ nkɔfa enhwɛ eno ase ɛda hɔ obi wɔ hɔ the whole year kra ansa na obɛkɔ akɔfa na se o tu kwan ansa na wo hwehwɛ bia ne book ɛda na we de se ne etie ne se onam a onim se wo de o book kɔkɔ sometimes mpo wunnim wakɔfa a woba betu kwan na obehu mpo se se wo book na expire ansa na obehu na odi America pese o renew we nyina eye life stories a etu obia na sesi de ne aba ne se book kokɔ no ukɔfa enye expiring date o na ukɔpre wo ho se ukɔ akɔye foforo enye se mbia book no ba bi ate na ukɔ akɔpre wo ho se ukɔ akɔye foforo Enye se bia wokɔhwehwɛ no wahwehwɛ wohu into wo be report say missing and stolen na wetumi ayɛ den akɔyɛ foforo da bio sisi ade wakɔkɔkɔfa book no na onim sɛ woba betu kwan no yesi citizen na woyɛ no ana citizenship na wo no ye frɛ wo ho ɛna yato no brɔfo kakraka sɛ deprivation without giving notice. Let's say ya show book no ye free ho abra yembo amane yen kan kyerɛw wonnim de onim sɛ wo book no wonim sɛ wo ye British ni wonim sɛ wo kɔba nyinaa na ɛba ne sen enti Uncle Ben ɛna ya atwen ye ba bɛka saa asɛm yi biom no ye can deprivation without giving notice brɔfo kakraka ekura what does it mean? Ɛna afei nso woba bɛkyerɛ sɛnea nteaseɛ ne teɛ no yɛbɛhwɛ kwan a wobɛfa so saa yɛn biara na wafɔle into such victim a kwan a wobɛfa so a na wetumi akɔ ho sɛ yɛko abo anaa brɔfo sɛ wotumi ko ho anaa Uncle Ben mpakyɛ meto ma wo. What's the meaning of deprivation without giving notice? What is
Yo
this?
manyeti sɛ yɛka sɛ deprivation na kyerɛ sɛ wokura biribi a yɛagye afiri wo nsam.
Mm,
Now, deprivation no, under Section 40 of the British Nationality Act. British Nationality Act of 1981. And then a book, yeah, setting a whole buying. So we are British citizen. Into Section 1, it define it or more British. Or Section 3, it define or more registered as British. Or Section 6, it define or more naturalized as British. Your categories of British. British name, your British citizens, British subjects, British protected subjects.
okay.
Law no, Emma Abano power. So, Ubia or British, Ubia British, including Sunak, ne, Boris Johnson, Ubia British, bia. Law no maho can say, you beat me a J or British citizenship. Now, ne Giana, ye free some. And then your friend deprivation. Deprivation ne say wo chain obi bibi and answer wo GBB afri nipa nsam. It is a deprivation of citizenship no. Na kyerɛ sɛ wo citizenship a wo as a British national no yɛgye afri wo nsam.
Oh.
The long and short ne sɛ ɛyɛ biribi a wakɔ a it might be through birth, registration, and as a naturalization. But almost GFRE. And that is why a crucial even the omnitimiaye and the obetimiaye.
Yo, Uncle Ben me da ase. Na kyerɛ sɛ ukra nso yɛgye afiri wɔn nsam. Na ɛnɛ ɔka sɛ yɛgye afiri wɔn nsam abra wonim ho hwee no. Na tama ɔkasa na Uncle Ben ɔka sɛ ɔka mbia British citizen yɛ wɔn ahorow. I heard the name and the word subject. I heard the word mbia true mbia generation mu na ɔde nyaayɛ ana enti no memfa me question ne nkɔ sɛ na saa British citizen ne kora yɛwɔ mu types ana yɛwɔ mu ahorow wobɛtumi akyerɛ yɛn hɔ no kakraa sɛ is there any types of deprivation of citizenship yɛwɔ kwan types a bi a yɛde ɛba ɛwɔ saa adeɛ wɔ ho ana?
Okay, there were four main types of deprivation. In fact, deprivation, no, there are two broad outlines, no, nullity and deprivation. And then you focus on deprivation. Nullity, no, measure was here, but chem was here that. By the entire subject, we na important say you be nearby your home by. Deprivation, no, you want deprivation as a result of conduct, so extreme, say and conducive to the public. And you're one. The second deprivation is your deprivation because of fraud. Fraud on a ABA, why you be because law no ain't define fraud, but fraud in relation to or British citizenship. And I say, one will be a control, or as I'm saying now. And I say fraud in the UK, banking fraud, and I say financial fraud, and any fraud that affect the state. And there deprivation because of misrepresentation. I don't know, you usually will almost registration and naturalization, either under section 141 or under section 6. So I have 3 categories of registration or naturalization. No? So what committee misrepresentation, not a innocent misrepresentation, but either negligent misrepresentation or intentional misrepresentation. And also you bet me idea from some. And deprivation because of concealment of material fact. Yakasi bibia concealia, just a woody see na enye sie no nko a ade a wode sie no ɛyɛ material yɛka sɛ biribi yɛ material kyerɛ sɛ egyina saa de no so nti ana biribi ɛyɛ biribi in this case no egyina so nti ne yɛde ma wo then ɛyɛ concealment no yɛ ebi a wamfa udin a ɛyɛ udin no ankɔyɛ anaa wɔ criminal conviction wammɔ so anaa wayɛ bɔne bi da ama yɛatwe w'aso wammɔ so anaa sɛ biribi pɔtee bi asi ama ne nti no nka wɔ sɛ wo declare when declare again concealment no ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ either negligent or intentional sɛ ɛyɛ mistake a ɛyɛ affect you mamem nkyerɛ mu biom 4 first one ɛyɛ deprivation because of conduct a ɛyɛ so serious sɛ ɛnyɛ conducive sɛ wobɛtena kurom a 2 deprivation because of fraud 3 deprivation because of misrepresentation 4 deprivation because of concealment nti deprivation no the types na mabobɔ no 4 no any of them no ebetumi ama rise to deprivation manyɛ.
Okay, Uncle Ben, that's it. Any school for mommy for pen and paper na intro because Uncle Ben Tony Boasi no all chichimu one after the other. Senior, ube who where you for say a tour. Quine Ben far so edit two near whom Uncle Ben that's so what chichimu 4 categories are a war you bet to me at deprive or citizenship ni free ho. Ain't no quine na watch 4 aspect and our categories are watching. Ebeye den na obi say kwan ben ye befa so na nipa no fall into this category see. Nim say watch fraud ni mo de fraud ye fraud bia ye fraud we be see na kwan ben mbia fraud no ye o mo ahoro waka financial waka way but se me ko bisa question what sa ho na obi mfa ne sem bia wakɔ shop akɔ lift yenim sɛ shop lift tinketenkete ne nyinaa yɛ kronobɔ bibi saa ne betumi lead to yachew akɔ police station na ya file ho report bia wayɛ ne baako mienu nti abɛdane bibi ɛwɔ criminal bibi ɛwɔ wo record so ayem bia ɛno saa betumi a result sɛ ye betumi deprive na ansa na mebisa me next question anka ben patcho
Debbie, fraud na yɛ ka fraud asɛm no ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ fraud a ɛyɛ serious
okay
ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ fraud a saa fraud no yɛfrɛ biribi word bi yɛfrɛ no ɛwura citizens no ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ relevant saa fraud no ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ biribi a emu edu ebi te sɛ undisclosed conviction anaa information bi a nka ɛbɛyɛ affect your ability to anaa sɛ wama false details saa fraud no ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ fraud bi a wakɔyɛ biribi ebi a HM Revenue and Customs what defraud wɔn sika kɛseɛ bi wobɛhwɛ a yɛn nyinaa abolio sɛ hwane a na ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ bank a ɔkɔyɛ fraud no ano no ni citizenship na ɔwɔ indefinite leave but ɔmo gye free ne nsɛm ɛyɛ equivalent situation ana yɛka sɛ yɛka fraud a ɛnyɛ shoplifting ɛnyɛ sɛ wakɔyɛ sakawa
okay
waka drill but fraud is serious mobɛhu a abayewa bi for ɛwɔ Ghana yɛfrɛ no hagia for real sɛ hagia for bibibibio ɔsɛ ɔba kurom a yɛkyee no because of fraud wakɔyɛ mpena fraud wakɔgyina social media I defraud nkrofo ebi
Oh,
asa ope omo be ware omo ne ho afenti no omo
mhm,
so jimi omo asesa omo sika akoma no with the apparently when you millions from it. So see how him so British for the no America.
uh-huh.
Ghana
Yeah.
or you on your
Mhm,
British.
mhm.
Obedu an ya che no ade na tuma ya de no America.
And
Enti fraud bi wo ho a fraud a serious. Sa
mm,
equivalent fraud no eno ne
mm.
ye ka no.
Okay. Asɛm wɔ Uncle Ben. Yo, yɛda ase. Me nuabɛyi a wakɔfa no asɛm yi abɛyi deɛ nkurɔfo bebree nti yɛnhwɛ yɛn ho yie dodo a motie yɛn sɛ afei na wadwene a yɛwɔ ha ɛɛka deprivation without giving notice na kyerɛ sɛ woanya British citizen how and do you know you can lose your British citizenship without notice ɛno ho asɛm ɛna yɛreka na mebisa Uncle Ben nsɛmfoa kakra wɔ ho wakyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra kyerɛ what it means to be deprived without giving notice. Afei nso wakyerɛ types of anaasɛ categories a yɛbɛtumi gyina so na yɛde deprive o. Sesi a yɛnkɔ Uncle Ben nti wei a wakyerɛ mu no sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ a ɔmo bɛma wo notice anaasɛ yɛbɛtwerɛ wo na mbia anaa mpakyɛw membisa ɔmo bɛma wo notice ansa na ɔmo ayɛ sa even though my topic says without notice but wobɛhwɛ mu a yɛbɛtwerɛ wo anaa yɛntwerɛ anaasɛ yɛbɛfrɛ wo anaa yɛmfrɛ ɛno asɛ wowɔ hɔ a yɛse wobɛhu ayɛ agye wo citizenship ɛfiri wo nsɛm mpakyɛw wotumi ma yɛn nsɛm kakra wɔ hɔ a na yɛnkɔ yɛn next question so mpakyɛw.
Oh, okay. Enti obia person who deprivation issue on section 40 of the British Nationality Act 1981. So on section 45. Section 45 no a say your British citizenship a free unsama. I will see a man notice in writing. So I notice in writing, I bet me about by post, by fax, by email, by document exchange, by courier, by hand. Saa deprivation notice no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ sure sɛ ɔmo serve wo a ebi a yɛ serve wo ma wo representative anaasɛ wo a sometimes no yɛmma wo notice
Okay.
but sɛ yɛ deprive wo of wo citizenship a
Mhm,
under biribi a yɛfrɛ no regulation 10 of the British Nationality Regulation 2003 no
mhm,
Omo mode of notification are by post, either overseas or here, by fax, by email, by document exchange, by courier or by hand.
mm,
Or some of them out. But Sanamaka no, all those you see a man notice no. In certain regard no, so we call under section 45A.
mm,
Yebetimi a deprive of citizenship without notification because of NEMA 4. The first one here, Adia Ubia in national security.
mm,
The second one, investigation and answer prosecution of organized or serious crime. Obon pesa obobe hamper prosecution or ATM notice.
mm,
The third one, no, so because of UK relationship with another country, no, yeah, notice. And then the final one, no, say almost reduce and also prevent a risk and the safety to another person. Nti yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛmama wahu. It may be so conduct no was against a human being. Nti yɛmpɛ sɛ wobɛhu sɛ yɛagye wo citizenship no. Na wobu afu 2 months sɛ nipa no nti a wayɛ ne biribi a no nti yɛagye wo citizenship no. Wo san akɔyɛ ne biribi.
uh-huh.
That decision without giving you notice under section 45A no. And you're so crucial. Say your notice. I will say because of some 4 factors. Say
Mm,
national security, investigation and prosecution, preventing or reducing risk to any person, and then the final one, UK relationship with another country. No. Say enye enuntia ne amma notice process ni nyinaa wrong. But bear in mind, say under section 42, and I'm at me boas and I may highlight each of the section because section be relevant. Under section 42, say almost take a decision I am mal notice. I was say a year because our conduct, and yet conducive to public good. Conducive to public good na ne sɛ ɛyɛ biribi a yɛn a yɛwɔ kurom ha na wayɛ a ɛno nti no ɛma yɛni abere egu yɛn ho fi anaa yɛni ngye ho. Examples ɔmo ayɛ terrorism, war, act of violence against the state. Saa nneɛma no nyinaa no ɛyɛ one of the reasons a ɔmetumi ayɛ under section 42. Ɛho hia because o questions na ɛbɛba no ɛna ɛbɛ explain it how we can react to this. But mon shannon so. So wako we na because can obi share me restaurant I say papa I don't know what my nyina akoma tu sa aye no kra. Oko Ghana, oko Timbuktu, Togo, Benin, Liberia, Upper Volta, Upper Region. Now why bibi na yesi agye citizenship na. Ebetimi akye wabra wo Ghana. Bibia nsi omo kwan se ye ma wo sentimenje. Ombetimi agye. Enti ɛyɛ real. Deɛ nti a yɛrezi subject yi ɛyɛ sɛ yɛn a yɛwɔ community no mu a yɛyɛ lawyers a yɛyɛ community work no yɛnim sɛ esi me ne wo kasa sesi yɛ ebi da m'anim ha medi ho abubu ebi wɔ hɔ ma yɛ ho adwuma 6 years meda ho yɛ ho adwuma enti ɛyɛ very real but the point of your program ne sɛ to inform, to educate, and to share knowledge. The fact is, so we are informed.
That's correct.
So we are educated. Why we are to share no ɛsɛ ebi a wono ɛmfa wo ho wonwie bi ebetumi affect no and those three principles to educate, to inform, to share no ɛyɛ yɛ principle a yɛde yɛ saa program yi ɛde nti na de bia yɛ ba yɛsɛ share no because ɔmo bebree wɔ hɔ so o me deɛ me wɔ mistake me deɛ me mma o ma wo me mma nyinaa ha that's very good but yɛde ɛba after man yɛbɛbisa the question and then wobɛtumi a frɛ no wobɛtie program yi bi.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Hey, I dear more who ne more than a cockon, so am I in pap. Mama get informed about this information bano na fe educate a home infant to an amon. I feel so yen share no obi biara and so enya bi. Say I feel no agenda topic a ye kan wasem no was so na ye BWF Solicitors legal hour so near that's wo hoye. Uncle Ben, maybe the next question. Now some wa kan hu so no eye kokon so aye sua mo ade. Aye bia o. Omo aya wo omo krom ha. Yeah, be a me na be ya wo me even to the 5th, 6th generation. Ya wo me wa ha. E wo me say ye kwekwe chi a me parent na India no me Ghana and Nigeria na any other country by birth na ye dia be wa do me so. Enti ya wo me wa ha me nso ma wo me ma nso awo ye nso efa ye ho ana
Manya efa ye ho bebree because section 44 as a Secretary of State ontimi deprive obi say ebema nipa no aye stateless.
Okay.
Under the UN Charter on Statelessness 1961 say bibi ebema obi aye stateless it is a way.
Okay.
And it's now here chromohana. So when you rahana also we stateless, when you're Ghana, when you're British, when you're Togolese, when you're Afghanistan, when you passport, when you no crowd free so now when you're stateless, your mouth set now. Because any said nipa bia aye stateless. Obia or ye nipa bia nyame abono no. I was so who kura free so. Section 44 of the British Nationality Act say Maame Secretary of State Swala, and say, immigration asaba you de too much. Yes, you crime na can was immigration kuana oka no. Wono wontimi gye obi citizenship free himself. Se nipa no be stateless. But under section 44A of the British Nationality Act, say sa decision say or from himself no say ebeye wo stateless cry or say emu say nipa na wedi nsɛmɔne a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛgye ne citizenship sɛ ɔbɛyɛ stateless koraa na secretary of state no agye di ɛnyɛ sɛ onimo but ɔgye di because agyidie ne anim ɛyɛ two different things.
Yes.
Ɔgye di sɛ saa nipa no tu anamu bi a ɔbɛtumi anya another kro citizenship a ɔbɛtumi agye ne British ne frɛ ne nsɛm.
Okay.
Enti me mfa nsusu manyeti me so me mfa nsusu me ho me mfa nsusu Ghana bi ni bia but sɛ woyɛ Ghana ni na wo ba ɛwɔ UK na wo ba no na wo stay ana wo yɛ British under section 1 wo ba no ɛyɛ British.
Okay.
Under Ghanaian constitution wo ba no ɛyɛ under the Citizenship Act of Ghana wo ba no ɛyɛ Ghana ni. The nti a wo ba no yɛ Ghana ni ne sɛ wo no na wo yɛ Ghana ni time a wo no although sɛ wo yɛ British no Ghana allow dual nationality kufuo na de ma yɛ. Nti bi a wawo no bia no so time a wo no na wo yɛ British o na wo indefinite o wo ba no yɛ British wo ba no ɛda so yɛ Ghana ni. Nti sɛ wo ba no musio bɔ no na nneɛma a yɛkeka yi ɔkɔyɛ bi na yɛbɛgye ne British na ɔbɛka ɔmo ɛne brɔfo no sɛ ɔno no ɛne national because ɔyɛ British national ɔyɛ English ɔyɛ Scottish ɔyɛ Welsh anaa ofi Northern Ireland nti ɔyɛ ɛne a nti yɛntumi mfa no nkɔ a bisɛ ɔka kyɛn sɛ yɛbɛtumi de no akɔ because although sɛ ɔnkɔ Ghana da ɔnkura Ghana passport no ɔba no ɛyɛ Ghana ni under yɛ constitution. Ɛsɛ Ghana ni biara ɔbɛwo ba biara ɛwɔ wiase anamo biara no
Ghana ni
ɛyɛ Ghana ni. Yɛsɛ Ghana akwadaa biara yɛbɛwo no wɔ wiase anamo biara no sɛ ne maame koraa ne ne papa nyɛ Ghanafoɔ na ne nana ɔmo yɛ Ghanafoɔ a akwadaa no yɛ Ghana ni. Enti mesrɛ mo ɛne nti na yɛato yɛ bɔ no yɛmma no ɔmo yɛ drugs ɔmo yɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa saa adeɛ a yɛrekan ɛfa ɔmo momma ɔmo nte aseɛ sɛ all those sɛ ne brɔfo no yɛ ɛne no ɔmo agye ne citizenship ne frɛ ne nsɛm ɛyɛ crucial sɛ ɔmbe because menim sɛ ɔmo mma program yi so momma kyerɛ wɔn sɛ Secretary of State no law no ma no ho kwan sɛ ɔbɛgye ɔbɛtumi asan agye a ɔnka nkyerɛ no the circumstances a yɛ raising nti ɛyɛ crucial sɛ yɛbɛma ɔmo a.
Hey, angabɛyɛ asɛm o na wokan sɛ woba no sɛnea ɛtie biara no woyɛ Ghana ni nko a deɛ ɔyɛ Ghana ni na kyerɛ sɛ yɛn Ghanaian constitution na ɛsi so sita sɛ sɛnea ɛtie biara baabi a wobɛwo biara no woba no da so ɛyɛ Ghana ni nti no yɛnhyɛ ne nso etiefoɔ no ahwɛfoɔ a mohwɛ angabɛyɛ that brings me to my next question nti wei nyinaa akyiri no a yɛagye adeɛ yi what will be the effect? Say, yeah, deprive me citizenship. Ebe nya nsusuanso bi wɔ me so anaa me mfa ho me de me nam yagye nya masɛm. Uncle Ben, what will be the effect of it? Anaa how will it affect me?
And to be a British citizen bia who will be a friend of right of abode. Right of abode and say enhanced right with it na UK. We to me out it na ha no unlimited. When you're subject to immigration control. And to what register, what naturalize as a British citizen. We indefinitely leave, a woo, I say, no. And to see a Joe British citizen, we need assetina a woo chroma. Which means, ya Joe British citizenship a free one summer. I was so share so wobetimi apply for a certain afoforo because ye automatically no wunya indefinite. Enti ye no ma de esi wo passport no ma wo mfa nko back no. Won ka so ke na me ko use we no. Wokọ utu kwan kọ na wo bedu ha e besa asa. The bottom line is decision say you be British citizenship no. A draconian, a so serious say. I was say a sure say. Decision now omo take a above board, a enriched by decision, a based on facts. But say mo isia wuni asetna. Te we say we take steps. Saa nso na wo ba na wawo no wa ha no. Obi a wawo no British no. See ye different in nsem a e was say opekwan na ohwe so betimi aye application bi no atena ha. But you're very careful. With British citizenship no say ya gye fru nsem because say what committee fraud, what committee misrepresentation, what committee concealment of fact, and our conduct is so repugnant say and yet conducive to public good. Yanko immigration rules. No. Immigration rules are from general refusal grounds. No. Fraud account, concealment account, misrepresentation account, criminal conviction account. So we why be a yes my emphasis and that is how serious this whole thing is. And that is why you're taking your time and breaking it down one by one, one by one. Senebeya will be able to say. Reason I had the citizenship. Say a reason I very serious, and it's always very serious. Yan was sitting because say oba ne fra we kwiata. Say I was a fra yautano. And yan nuntini because you can explain. Omo guidance notes almost about 2 weeks ago. No, almost our explanation. Obi our guy name or alias. And no interest we use to false misrepresentation.
Okay.
And that's how I have false representation. And that's how I have misrepresentation. But say conduct is serious. Now we apply because what na for a while which may apply for long residence, either indefinite leave under 10 years and as a limited leave. Can you imagine? We are British. What na 5 years? Who can British? Was why I British. Now you will stay a few sem. Also when you over 25. What and a half 5 years. I think I will 2.5. Now I 2.5. No, I 2.5. No, I 2.5. Those are the serious issues here and there. Yeah, topic. Now me per se issue of discussion. Am I because me maybe what is see a braboma you're too sure. Mami my example. Case be I made dealing with. And you will be in a ma. Wabum kolano so much so that say Yajen Kolane Friendensem, Oma prosecuting, Oma convicting of cruelty to children. Yajen Kolano, ya threatening to say a British citizen Friendensem. Now I'm fighting, I know say you be winning. But that is how serious it is. The other problem no Omo Nkola Juma. And I said Omo disabled people. Your cases I'm dealing with, Omo your carers. Ama maame baako a ɔwɔ hɔ no abrɛwa no wa record crutch no sɛ crutch no de ne nsa hyehyɛ no wa record now akɔyɛ police case ama ɔmo de record na nyɛ video yɛ audio but it doesn't show sɛ the maame no can yɛ no correct but these are some of the issues a betumi ama wɔ lose wɔ British citizenship and wɔ indefinite leave because ɛbɛyɛ criminal conviction na yɛ convicted and I am convicted because for some other reason. Aban with me a recommendation now will be I am on CNG citizenship. And for me, important say you better say discussion see. Now because so we them would to an among we na bibi betimi a hawa. We agree and son way to sana. And that is why I have us our discussion.
Uncle Ben, cases be serious. So, therefore, way any I casa ye can topic I do one common. So, I feel no I bet to ya the topic no I see her and Uncle Ben at Tony Boissy. I check more bedu pen so ye guso ewa hanemum, maybe a telephone line, and just give me 2 minutes, but maybe a telephone lines. No, and be na also o bibi a opese obisa it could be say fa saa de we ho anaasɛ ɛnhyɛ da kora ɛmfa saa de we ho akonya wɔ hɔ obetumi ebisa abra yɛn nkɔmɔ no ɛda so ɛrekɔ so na anka bɛn mɛda wɔ ase na mo a maba Facebook ne YouTube ne so nyinaa meda mo nyinaa se mebisa mo question enche bia madamfo bia no pe mi share man no Dubai o se o hwe ye me de se o hwe enti won so saa na wobetumi ahya ma obi na ono nso enhwe bi na onhu emu enimdie ewo ho asema ye kan very serious enkankan kwala ye nim se ya wo mo ha no nim se wo de watete ne yie na so sometimes omo kwa abon na adamfofoɔ yɛnyɛ ne yɛnhwɛ wosoro adeɛ na ɔkyerɛ sɛ wobɛprove unnecessary point a ɛho nhia wobɛhu ana ama ɔmo akɔto nsɔhwɛ mu enti no ne nyinaa akyi no si yɛhu saa adeɛ wei ne yɛde to ɔmo fon so a megye de sɛ ɔmɛtumi de ahyɛ ɔmo kotoku mu de abɔ ɔmo bra mombɔ mmɔden anhyɛ program no na yɛnhwɛ anka bɛn mɛda wɔ ase nti sisia no a wakyerɛkyerɛ mu na ɛkyerɛ sɛ menim sɛ sɛnea tie bia no ɛyɛ den yie na waka sɛ wontumi nkɔ back to indefinitely because adeɛ mu yɛgye a wo to twene yɛ ansa na wokɔgye British citizen nti sɛ British citizens no yɛagye a na hwehwɛ hwee ne hɔ biom ɛyɛ saa indefinite leave to remain no na afei nso no sɛ ba ne saa na wobɛgye 22 tot no application foforɔ a wobɛtumi ayɛ no wobɛtumi ayɛ under human right anaa ɛno no bɛyɛ me major last question ansa na mede other ones na aba mpatwɔ.
Okay, yes, manyeti. And thankfully, no, omo new guidance knows. First, ne ni ho, but it's the aba. Omo the niema miensa anaba. And niema bako, first one, no, yes, section 55 of the Borders Act. I said, oh, your case, be involved with government, na kola woma. If be a friend of best interest of children, case law, wo. So kola biya wo krumo biya. So who take a decision afa ne carer ho and a guardian, including parents. I was all dream akola no. To the first thing I was all my dream ho, akola. The second thing no, time about between sa dia almost a wire no, anytime omo ye decision. And also was all my dream. The other one no, the General Human Rights Article 8, either inhumane and degrading treatment, and as a family and private life. So Article 8, Article 3, Article 6, Article 8 are very relevant to determination. And to say, private life, first, under immigration rules, Abaye Bibi also heard Article 8. So Article 8, Article 6, Article 3. Article 3, a high threshold, maybe because of illness, inhumane and degrading treatment. Our relationship waha, our yeri ukum, our ma, our mpana, our properties, why juma, how long are una watana? Sa conversation when relevant, say abayin ebehwe, sa decision na obeya. Obe take obe ma regard to each and every aspect of sadden. One, so ya ma will notice ebe den abayin who say wa oba. Or disabled, or partner may receive treatment for cancer and answer kidney dialysis. And that is why it's crucial. So within the body of the law, especially the new section 7, Omodiaba BBF of SIAC here, Special Immigration Appeal Chamber, Omdiaba Count, I'm say Obekaya, time about clause 9, I may call TV so an yeka. Near wadibi a yeka. Adina yeka ne say, adio mo yeno without notice. Any judicial overview and a judicial oversight. Si akasi bibi ni judicial overview and a judicial oversight. Adia yeka ne say, aban no wasori no ye bibi kwa. Obi any wa o check no. Thankfully, no, omama judicial oversight. Judicial oversight, no, you're the court SIAC. And normally, no, you're deprivation of citizenship or right of appeal to the normal immigration section. But where deprivation, no, because of conduct, no, so serious, and into the year free, no, a court SIAC. Under Section 7 of the Special Immigration Appeals Commission, amended in 2013 year. Sir, right now, one say omo ye omadwen say omo beje wo citizenship no only on one ground, conducive to public good. That is the only ground a kosiak. Siak, minim se wonim siaka. Siak no a special immigration appeal chamber. Omo hwe secret evidence. Omo hwe national intelligence. Omo ye lawyers ne judges ya ma swear oath. Omo timi hu niema wo lawyer no kra ohu. You betimi use evidence be against war. And sana wo lawyer no be hu no kra no. Obe swear bibi. Wonu because a state secret. A intelligence led. Now, Saudi America, a fraud near man in America. Make war, terrorism, state secret. So why ye be against ye crew? So case no cost siaka, not just say a very, very serious. Ma be and dreams, oh, there be shami ma begum penum bit me ayana sa. Media me mana me wo me. No, o met me ayana. The reason being, say, ye wo near be a ye. Business be a wo ye, money transfer be a wa ye, ade bi a waton, nipa na wa send scan, maybe I was sending no. Onu obi wo connection e wo Russia, e wo Afghanistan, e wo Sudan, e wo kro bi a omo e ho no nipa bi wo ho a kro aban went eye. Na say omo bread lawyers nyina solicitors, obi a solicitor bi a wo se wanya bi. 2 days ago na deadline. Yes, say, yam promise a buy, say, Russia for Afghanistan, and in Yemen. Wo lawyer no, wo procedure in place, say, nipa no, oba, ubetimi who says, nipa we UK buy and pen wo kromwa. Your friend be a friend of special UK sanction list. Many more kind, munko internet no sonamore. Your friend of special UK sanction list. Obia or sa sanction is will be no. Onye nipa e wosa woni ne din kita ho. Ti me lawyer me na no su. Say or the case bremi I was me report no. Se man report na matomra. Entie bia oba no oye business bi na oni sa nipa we ana eye. Unim ono unim because on ko check a list. Na nipa asene ni ska obi o ye business no edu bibia. Omeye intelligence led investigation. Ohun Ubon so be wa so you close my bank account. Yanka hwe ya jereme. Because it be a money laundering and also suspicion of terrorism finance. First, I will send this car to Ghana. You bisa here, no answer the amount. To see your passport copy and our driver's license on the app. And sana wait me use. Omo money transfer no. Omo report. And to be say, we send this car every year. I do baby. It me stop usika no. Ni a send no email say. You perceive who baby unye scan. And ani pa na this can no command no. Try idea of this can ye. No unless me sit down, me talk car, me your school fees, me your hospital bills. Saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛ intelligence le. Ti bɛn kasa hyɛ ma begu mpɛ na saa de we betumi ato no. No. Ebetumi ato obia. Ɛno nti na ɛnɛ ɛwɔ si eti ne yɛ very careful sana yɛbetu ho anamo. Manye.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yada se asem no seni etie bia corners baby wo ho a ebetumi ato yada se ne nchichimu a odi amaye ape maybe telephone lines no while conversation e be so say mbia opese onso ubisa question bi na amaka ebetumi afade a ye ho awon sakrampo egu ebetumi afade a ye ka ho ana say mbia na enhyeda emfa ho still no obetumi ebisa o question no afen so say mbia o drive ana baby o no ontumi emfre telephone but modern aja voice note call WhatsApp group no so ana WhatsApp page na dial this number fre this sorry, your voice note number this number is 075-966-20154. So me to me abo Uncle Ben na Uncle Ben a year no sa netie afen so no numbers ni 0208-123-1016 and 073-9920 8468 ubisa ufre a yebeyi wano na yɛde aba Uncle Ben yɛbɛtwɛn yɛn phone calls ne yɛn questions ebe me ho sɛ nipa menu de questions ama mabisa na me question baako a ɛwɔ saa adeɛ wɔ yɛayɛ adeɛ nyinaa wakyekyere mu nyinaa no sisi a wehu kwan a wobɛfa so a wobɛtumi ayɛ mbia another application ɛwɔ saa human right nanso yɛbɛsan akɔmu all this while all this agents a wobɔbɔ mu din nyinaa ansa na yɛbɛhu sɛ sombo sɛ ɔsɛ yɛsan ma wo asetena mbia na yɛ tɔtotɔto deɛ bia saa 2.5 na ɛsa wosan bɛhyɛ aseɛ biom na wode ayɛ na Uncle Ben nti yɛmfa ne sɛ o mebisa yɛmfa ne sɛ mbia yɛatwerɛ me mbia me bɔne a meyɛɛ no menka ne sɛ bɔne biribi a meyɛɛyɛ no nti yɛama me notice no na yɛama me notice ne sɛ mbia sei ne sei nti yɛba abɛgye wo nkrataa no anaa wo citizenship yɛbɛgye afiri wo nsɛm nti woanya such a notice no anka wobɛtumi ato ho anamo na woakɔbisa nea ɛnti anaasɛ biribi a ɔmɛtumi respond to you anaasɛ yɛasɛbe wo notice ne deɛ wobɛhu say follow up, nothing that you can do about it.
Okay, and it say I'm about deprive of British citizenship. Almost serve notice first. A baby will almost serve. To notice no bar or under immigration rules, or 14 days to appeal. Or outside UK, or 28 days to appeal. Under SIAC procedure rules, or 7 days from date of notice. SIAC no omo deprive woman under the first one, as well conduct and conducive. Apart from that, misrepresentation, fraud, concealment, ningina echo immigration tribunal.
Okay.
We appeal, echo immigration tribunal. We appeal you be list occasion. We prepare statement, written statement. It is a ha normally no you be say my social worker MA report about one of our life. No, because baby I do no nya grobio. Because too power now I'm far uko back. Ultimate immigration bill. And I was say I apply all our resources, including money. Say you be ma watna kroma. And I instructor BBA from independent social workers. You bet me an instructor psychologist, child psychologist and so. Obi o wa no wo ba akola no wo challenges kakra. Ebia na or autism spectrum so.
Okay.
Because of function very well. Your uncle be perform extremely well, but not you're autistic. The first akola no very well or tell him I'm in China with this 16 no and so we it doesn't mean say oh yeah. Because you work with prison. Oko prison 6 years. Ubano from 10 years, they say with this 16 to here. No. Yeah, report now. Prison may be obestra. One bestra cry, you know, or life or no. A crucial. The yes, I report now. And I say be a medical report. And I say a school report. Sir, near money and I are very relevant. Report now, dear actually say a confirm private and family life.
Okay.
Family life with your partner, with your child. Ebi a wuni partner, ebi a wuni child. But ebi a wo yare bi ewo wo ho. Enti ye beje report every Ghana. Say saa yare we no, oba Ghana, ye nim say ayaresa wo ho de. But e was say we ye den. Yes, we will say utua National Health Service and answer we insurance. No, any national service, but was say we insurance. And answer a month no, saa treatment we be our dialysis. Saa treatment we be a month no, a cost you fancy $500. We are don't call Ghana uni adwuma, obey the $500. And answer what pre-existing disease. British government say, oh, obetimi ato insurance. No. Chromo our pre-existing disease, almost exclude no, and I would a higher premium. These are nuances ubetimi ediako. Now, see and your person you empower more. Now you fight back because Manyati, your community no grofo bebre why your job British citizenship from. It's adults, grofo bebre. Now what we want to say is don't just accept it, fight it. Because all rights are better. Even Oma Mao decision cry, and eventually Umua, there was some Mao decision. Mama decision why appeal. Into court no lawyer or family members are or we are juma. Your friend be a friend of probation report. Maybe I work prison. Maybe I could be a medley with or out in 6 days. And Roma man a bail forms. Or probation. Or prison. Me here at dear now way. Wako school. Why you training? Why you juma or kitchen? Why you library? Maybe why a course because I could them 6 years. Why a course? When your certificate, you're prepared for the world. A probation officer, actual brilliant report,
Yeah.
sentence report, eboa. Judge's remarks about your sentence, so eboa. Ti who accumulate saa nneɛma no nyinaa na wo lawyer no ayɛ representation. Sɛ deɛ nipa mo ngye mfiri ne nsam. Na mmom, sɛ mo sɛ mobɛgye deɛ a ɛne ɛyɛ kɔ court.
Okay.
Yakɔ ho court. So ɔmo lusu a ɛdi sɛ ɔmo gye. Ɔmo wini a ɔmo betumi agye ba. Ɔmo wini na ɔmo gye o British na wowɔ right sɛ wobɛyɛ application sɛ wobɛtena ha. But bear in mind sɛ at the highest level no, sɛ woyɛ application sɛ wobɛtena ha, general grounds for refusal no ɛbɛtumi apply because of criminal conviction, conduct, misrepresentation, fraud, and our concealment of fact.
Okay, Uncle Ben, yedase ne enchichimu a odi ama. Obi frɛ pacho mo frɛ WhatsApp line na bet entumi emba frɛ numbers na ɛwɔ screen so na 0208 123 1016 no tumi frɛ no anase obetumi nso afrɛ 073 9920 8468. WhatsApp line ne deɛ ɛyɛ WhatsApp only. Wosɛne WhatsApp ne ba anaa voice note but wofrɛ no a ɛntumi yɛnti Uncle Ben ɛntumi ɛnti na ɔnyi w'ano mesrɛ na Uncle Ben mewɔ obi agya me voice note membɔ na yɛntie.
Hello, Uncle Ben. Ne ma nyɛ da ma se ne adwuma pa mo yɛ. Na me hyira mo. Ɛnso follow mo yɛtie mo ada ne da nyinaa. Me di Dennis Mukasafi Stoke-on-Trent. Na if I try to say maybe question bi kakra. Some time ago, me was na Uncle Ben ka bibi say an information bi ba out say you say bi a oba kroma open citizenship na oba kroma that 10 years na yɛ to so of good character no. Na bi a oba ha na wankɔ a special immigration we no wankɔ na can say even say punishment bi say even say technically the 10 years bi na bɛda out no. Na me say almost person if you have good character test no. Na me say person yi that 10 years ban if you na but try no kura na. Na want something saying acha mutima actually mu kakra. Ne mu bua say wo ban nti ne hu say better me ne o ma de akɔ ni mani mu ya na but na ye hu ne ekoso na me hwa mo that's it.
Okay, Uncle Ben, first question and answer my share board in so.
Yes, since last year, no, so conduct for 10 years now, yes, we overstay, not 10 years and by, and TML citizenship, year free. Sisia, no, I have the last 5 years. In fact, if you work out, applies our testing. But conduct, about overstay, immigration status requirement, say happen under over 5 years ago, almost somewhere, under 5 years, it be on it's your hand, yes, since last year, why we need our problem to be.
Yo, Uncle Ben, Nini Beji pass a woman and why. Other for one, my son patcho, your frozen now, Cassa friend. Oh, yeah, producer patcho, bet me the next question not to screen is swam, and wine patcho. Patcho Cassa meet you.
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning,
Pacho,
Papa.
okay, for me, Joe. My question, any related, but I think that all kind of disabled when disability when I maybe say me can be the question. But what I have to say, Krumhana, Emrana be says institution via an agency via private or governmental institution via say. I said, who of us service I said we are flexible adjustments for disabled people. I think that's the law. Me, madam will be apply passport for neighbor. Now neighbor autistic. or very challenging behavior. And you want apply passport, no, and of Ghana High Commission on time counter more chat service BT or chatty one of the customer service personnel. Episode say, will there be any feasible adjustment for Nibantan biometric, no? And he will be exempted, because it's very difficult for them to enroll the biometric, no. But then no customer service any madam from the it was so bad, and can category I said they don't have anything like that on case or very good application or withdraw application because they don't have anything like that. I went back and spoke to them, said that is wrong because per the law, no, I said there should be some because for them to do the right thing because in madam from the so many people will be going through this. But if we say because of disability and it's money apply for passport, there is nothing. That is it is wrong. And when another person say only Ghana High Commission ever close with maybe say what is the way forward for this?
Yo, Papa, question there more there. Now I share program there.
Possibly will you with me share there.
Yo, Uncle Ben.
Okay, yo.
Yeah, Ben may question. Ben way forward do one.
Yeah, well, very difficult. Say by autistic. Say unimobi and by autistic, especially more high spectrum. Because autism no, your spectrum. Yeah, and then you must be brain autistic, but because you perform, you're capable into the womb. So I challenge that. A be crowd autistic, then sana will be so, and our picture crowd will be trying to know a problem. But so what your passport, identification document, and your basic requirements, even for British passports, your basic requirements, what's it meet. I think say be a dialogue. I mean, I will raise this with the relevant person. Now, maybe that's almost procedure. It's also possible, say, your program is will be better text about say we're explaining because the fact that I autistic and on chess me enroll in a biometric and a biometric enrollment. I was so concerned. I mean, say sometimes Ghana High Commission a mobile biometric enrollment or more the van Birmingham, other places, Manchester, Liverpool, Wales. Now I'm call enroll for. Minim the challenging behavior in tia akwala no ntimi nkɔ na yɛ enroll no. But me bisa ana yɛahyɛ nyame yɛ adom bi next week na yɛahyɛ Ghana High Commission procedures around enrollment of biometric your challenging behavior and answer disability related issues intimi manipa no enko ho and answer on tenasi din na ye enroll in biometric. I know that sometimes you're frail and I knew more engaged here. I a person who behave in certain way. But over the last few years, Ghana High Commission is sign meaning say absolutely professionals. I know sir, Crawford will issue nya obia offer 400 ABI issues by 3 to 5. But it doesn't mean say acceptable. And I know that they've worked extremely hard over the last high commissioners, DBC and then they've worked really hard to make the organization acceptable to your standards and very, very professional. But I will raise it. Namebisa, Namama feedback,
Mami Saka Kanka. And I agree with you, say, for the past about 5-6 years, Ghana High Commission have been very professional and their service has been one top notch. I agree with it. But that doesn't mean that because this is say, isn't it a law? Because I spoke to them directly and I said, it is law.
Joe, tear me. One say, Uncle Ben Akasa, where ye, my fancy, young fan say a case, or present it, and Uncle Ben ma. Ni obetumi aya fa ho so enti say it letter nia ode count there with the mestro emre no sha se ne be ya obi nso benya kwan sisi no the all issue na wa ka kire Uncle Ben betu ho ana mo no I promise say nyame adoma embia next week no ibenya positive outcome about this case enti no Joe with the mestro na yenko obi profogina line so why Mr. we need him why
right, okay,
thank you very much thank you medasi yo it's here for Sanya yeno where see is there a question I say is there any home office link to show you your British passport or visa is still valid? Then you say obi bisa say baby obi to me I'm finding out say I am bia senior ya nanka yetumi wow to me corner wo the details ato HRMC site na wenya share code na just say we a valid person to me adwuma no baby wo ho sa home office for so e de aba I am bia wo ho na ehija so that be say I just from some obetumi akọ verify na akọ find out from her Uncle Ben baby wo ho sa
Well, sir, or passport, obviously, be online out to me check it.
okay.
But who person will check is on definitely and unlimited leave, valid, or use BRP card, now work online, a be yama. For British passport, the BBS anyhow. Wait me a passport for a visa. Normally they will speak to you. Not on my culture, yeah.
Yo, Uncle Ben, you da say. Odofo ahụ maso, mpacho ehe na okasa free me ente onka.
Yo, when you money and naji my near Helford.
Ope mo na nkasa. Class prefect.
Na me se sha ma she.
Sa. Ehia pa sa de we de ehia pa ye da se.
Because no kure nyame so adwuma na mo ye no. Me de bia me kata nyankopon na nhyira mo me frɛ mo sei no a. Na mpese me di kan da mo ase e ma nyame nhyira no e bro mo so kora ma te se ya san akoso aka to so no kure o pe solicitors papa we UK ye awradi Yesu Kristo we BWF free one no kure ya so mo me se kura no de me bebrande me ka me bebrande makare nyina me na echiche bontina ko ye campaign ma BWF o de ye mpia me kakura me
nim so be ye
ye mpia me kakura me because no kure be adwuma mo bo no nya adwuma petwa mo ya ye papa na me to ma so no no kure me papa bi kasa sisia fa Ghana High Commission me ya me ko ho na nsempa na me se awurade ababa wa su ko no ma bi se no kasa me ma me bi ho me kro me gina ho ma se ha kro ma ya mo ba e ka kiti ka no ya bu na ma na ne ne ka me ko fi ya kro me ko because I need the this is no kure lawyer ye Mr. we did that promo me and fine no so nko for ho nya no program na no kure so de no kure so ya ba ko pe me passport no o mo bo modern ma me saka no tete this is the lawyer ka no wone no de wo ho adane sabe abo bi ni bi kaka papa no mo ye kasia no mo de ketuwa bi bone bi abeso ma amadi no akoye spy no kure so de ba ko pesa adwuma so de no kure ko mo bo because how special no am passport do kura me saka no so quick no in fact and also kura ma me hunu se gese o mo ya adwuma nti no kure nyankopon ne mo nya adwuma na me to ma sam me wala ko se bi me yonko brebo pa bi a me gino bi a me pena sempa no so de dika bon ne ho a wote na wo visitors visa so na wo so obi se obetuma to fie ono de wo bibia so obetuma tia ka instantly without mortgage somebia no ya allow
yo so what visitors visa na odebeto fie e wo kromo ha
mpatran
yo Uncle Ben pacho owo ho kwan obetumi aye bibisa wo
Yes, obetumi ato. Say ade ode kan ho ne say or turn outright. the entire nkrofo ewo visitors visa omuntimi akwa dan wa ha ne se okoje mortgage or so wote ha but we all know we sika or the beto anything na Russia for no etimi beto dan bebre any India for no onte ha enso no abeto dan wa ha se dan na de ye ton a dan no ton no de private arrangement and no de obi antimi nsi okwan we visitor kra obi timi ato dan nti obeso beto bia manom beto bi na hweso manom.
You, yeah, that's it. Talking of visitors visa, Uncle Ben. Obi dina so bacho me 1 minute to amema wakasa. When we obi nso question odi mane me no pay. Opese or ye or enroll ye a company person enroll no. Sorry, or recruit no na on be care our but at the moment no krum ha with visitors visa and obeko enche bia obeko si odi 1 month pe na oko na wakoye recruitment no free Ghana de aba na mom English way na ewo ho no English test na ewo ho no onim say ye can say British citizen say wo gi British council so na home office gi document English na e ka ho no it could be say language set for na Trinity College en ho no ana same be IELTS a wo de be ka ho ana Cambridge IELTS no wo de be ka ho na omo accept na odi aye nti obisa so okita visitors visa no to make sure exams no wa ha etro no ha ansana wako na otro wa ha na or the results no ye application from home I be affect visa na.
Well, and it's affecting. First of all, restriction be any or visa application is say baby I will try English, won't be use.
Okay.
But meaning say English for no because so many home office here, Jumano. We are very cautious, say we have visitors visa. Yes, it won't me and yet studies, but exams no yet studies.
Yes.
Exams. But I am more confused. You say, okay, we are visitor. Or by I say, many juma, menko school. I don't know about your exams.
Okay.
And I explain more. Say no, nipa ni timi because restriction be any who say on to me and throw exams. And the omu here say on be capture or passport. Ko bi ho ni asetena and so timi ko throw exams. Enti o ha obetimi atro. Na o ko Ghana na o ye we application na o de aka ho no aye.
You or that's it. Other for wow masoka from Pacho o kasa frame me antonka.
Morning, Manichi.
Good
Morning, Uncle Ben. My friend Kobe, because of free London. There were 2 questions.
Okay.
First one is, me wadan for okufane me free Ghana ba.
Okay.
Na owonko ana fa no be British. And my question is, Uncle Ben, my name is Watcher, say Sankran will have for 2 years, obetime register no to become British citizens. And me person Uncle Ben bit me explain kakra wo ho.
Okay.
The second one is another lady, and me say on ne kunu ne ba ha na ne kunu ne ba as a student one because school ne dey nti technically they be as say Uncle Ben home office the council the visa but obana or the buy or non situation at the same knowing say and I'm be man no buy. And the difficult aspect is say obana buy and wabel na ohwema na akrano onyi ni akrano ni pno na ne tikoi omoba omoden krata to so no ne ba ohwema na emse onyi mansa na o ware be men na ba nti enya de se be man betima bia ma akrano nti in this case saying in almost situation
so be me mo wan ko school me twa na ade mu nti on kita hwe dia no be ya ma akala no just a question ma expert no be here Uncle Ben complicated question we there we fit nanso ne nyina ye wo mo Uncle Ben.
Yeah, well, 2 issues. One, nipa na wanko school no. Say omu ntwa na ade nim completely obetimi aswitch. Ne yere no nso say omu ono nso betimi aswitch. So oba na akola na British obetimi aswitch. But under your laws wo ha no, akola papa aye maame ne kun. Nti odo se wo kase maame na nyamansa na wo ba no. Data wo ye no na waware. Nti for your purposes no aye papa. If you koye DNA kra na issue say nya ne ba still aye papa no ba. That is what our law says, section 50 of the British Nationality Act. Nti senka ne kun ye British wa ha anaso or indefinite still akola no anya ne ba. But obetimi aye application I register akola no under the British Nationality Act 1981 na akola na British. And raising all sorts of issues. The first thing is maame no oba wanya how many years? Akola no biological father no ɔde ne ho nea. Nipa na wanko school no yɛtwa visa nim kra ama data yɛde ma because normally wanko school no yɛka sɛ yɛbɛtwa ma 60 days. Ana wobɛtumi de ayɛ biribi. 60 days na ba ɔmo atwerɛ no ne nsa aka biribi. Wa check it online ne biometric card na ewu. Bibi wɔ hɔ a ohu ana. Those are questions I was seeing your answers to. Yeah.
Papa, what's your say?
Yeah,
that's it. Why?
Share program, the first one, Uncle Benny and Yan for Papa now coffin the maba na or crown and son of the British.
Also,
and son of the British now.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Naturalization.
Somewhere under 18 requirements are one say omo how much na ha omo a criminal conviction. Papa ne British is here. To obey me and register omo as British citizens. Yes.
Okay.
Why?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, to me free office no after 9 a.m. Wait me free office no na why inquire further information why. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yo,
bye.
when so say please ask Uncle Ben that is it compulsory to do a marriage attestation or certification on my customary marriage certificate done in Ghana? Will Home Office accept a marriage certificate with the attestation of the Ghana High Commission London, although the certificate was done almost 4 years ago? Uncle Ben, obi to me, yes, sir.
Well, yes. So, your casa attestation and certification. And your can is obi for AC so aka say certificate we no papa. And that is all. Yes, certificate old crown or the Bregan High Commissioner. Omo in-house checking service omo any external. Now ma confirm or say papa. Yes. I advisable so yes.
Oh, okay. Uncle Ben, talk of marriage certificate. Marriage certificate, ye won't be brave. And I mean, so say, oh, yeah, mo register mo marriage na, ye mama witness or ba nature nipa mienu, or be managing so nipa mienu. Na there is a portion or say almost sign say, or no witness sa awaria apostle. Now, I don't know, say, if they only bring their signature without their name, no, does it still make the certificate valid or not? Or signature pen or mudi any one. But your Emma certificate, no, to chima, and I say, okay.
Well, so we can't registry marriage certificate. Din a tintin green no sin. I don't know or share witness side. Sometimes no, you true din, sometimes you intro. I just say make sure two no no din baso. But a witness no omo ewasie. Omo true din no yes, they were box in the but witness like I said, I don't think so we true din.
Oh, okay. You who be a omudin or answer no signature no
Normally no so customary marriage there and I am church or dingus no. Registry there no. Okay. So we section no official request no say form no bisa certificate no bisa name na was a name but in bisa there you don't have to write it.
You that's it. Yeah, that's it. Other for one so pacho kasa frame ma mente onka.
Pacho kasa free SS. I want to say.
Adomonko, I was swear.
Ah, Nyankopon. Patron pese ubusa uncle then mama say 2020 one of the your permanent stay my my name wife ne ye ba. Na akula no 7 years.
Okay.
Na yenyankoye exams no emmeje British passport but ye pese ye yema akula na no kai ho no. Yemi ensan nyina yenya permanent indefinite to remain no. Tinam pese ubusa uncle be mama say yenyankoye exams no because no more cases and ye koye ni ye JD a ki betimi ya makula no for free. Ba yenkoye exams na ye pese ye jema akula no. Ho enioma yesen e be necessary ye na yetimi eyema akula no no wo
so obetiaka ana say onjiaka
yenim se kan yenim se obetua na ye pese mu se de enioma sa na yehia na yetimi ya makula no
yo Uncle Ben pacho
obi a will apply for British citizenship or ya kola bia no say na wo for intimate ya obetimi apply for fee waiver requirements is the same either destitution or affordability. So akola ya British citizenship in this case no menim so fi Ghana no buy na ya wo no ha niema o ya yeah enti awadi ahe
pacho we this saying
the same but so obenya 10 this year
obenya 10 years
okay enti either say ojina the parents indefiniteness so and I say we D10 or no original so use MN1 application be or ye be no obe use form be a friend MN1 so form no ade here ya the birth certificate so original na wo for indefinite so na wo for indefinite so original no an 10 years or the atena ha and it be a chess or 10 years usually with a red book and I health book school letters school reports GP letters obe here 2 referees ideally no mu GP and more the school headmaster and a head teacher and a teacher and I said wow nam for a bit me assign man sad way in a pet and here or here be before bia and
okay nada se inti betu be ho Uncle Ben obetumi aye ho adwuma ma ye ho
wasem wa na o se o sha asem a wa fe de o se bisa so obehu na bra ko be ya mo pepepe wa
and that Uncle Ben asuma no on ye bibia ma ye ti o ya de pa ye na se why
Uncle Ben ye da se tuana no na ko be ya mo sisi a why
mate bye
bye yemre ne ya ye bi na ye ore ye nua ba yen training solicitor Deborah Ewaha also no so the English version of the whole program na ye no on fen to just in be benefit other nations and so on. So answer na metonsa e dia friend no. Uncle Ben, question back wa how say me bisa. Me nua ba bi say oba ha I think Brexit ne mu or ye German citizen oba so person betna ha. Otna ha ye dwuma kakra bia na or yes or apply after settle those nyoma na etwetwe mu no ono so yes or your application before initial pre-settle status ne bi na the application ne to mu bibia no na home office etro brand no senka onfa document bi enka ho na yemfa ma no emo anem se corona ni mo okọ san kopie ni kuro mu nti oba no osuro se eja na yare sa nti home office atro no na nka still they were waiting for her for your man I think 28 days se ontumi mfa sa document no embra na afi yentoa na de ne so ma no e na wan fam babium na sese obisa se wasan ba krum ha opese otoa saa de ne so na obetumi atoa so anaase aye too late anaase so obetumi atoa so a den kwan ben no befa so e de aye.
Okay, well, I mean, first of all, no, so what gonna have before Brexit, and yet 31st December midnight. Now what's gonna have that? Not even date, no, na wuni ha krana. Everyone's what gonna have, everyone said 2 years, and up to everyone said 2018, and I everyone said 2019.
Yes.
Now call. Now waba after 2020, it's a waba now. What's outside for 4 years, still with my application. because under the new Appendix E, so one outside for more than 5 years, ubitimi asaba. Requirement in say at the date of free no what na hada. And yes, now what ha, but now what na hada.
Okay.
On the date, no say we ha, but proof send what na hada. And away irrelevant because I feel away your application. To be here evidence, a chile send what na hada. Want na outside for more than 5 years, ubitimi
You Uncle Ben. Yeah, that's it. I feel there may for phone calls need be because you're in IFB questions need those you, but you deliver check to come answer. Now it's and let me invite my dear sister friend, training solicitor Deborah. Now on for the English version of the program's title no and Brian. Deborah, if you can hear me, please can you tell us what it is?
Yes, thank you, Manya T. So today we treated the topic of how you can lose your citizenship without notice. So as Lawyer Bernard mentioned, there are 4 main types of deprivation. So deprivation as a result of your conduct, which is not conducive to the public good. Deprivation as a result of fraud. So, for example, acquiring your citizenship through fraud or banking or financial fraud. Deprivation because of misrepresentation. Deprivation because of concealment of material facts. So, for example, if you're making an application for naturalization and you do not disclose that you've had a criminal conviction in the past, that is a concealment of material fact because you're hiding material information. So, Section 40 of the British Nationality Act 1981 allows for deprivation. Deprivation, they can either deprive you, so they can either give you a notice in writing or they can decide not to give you a notice at all. So under Section 45 of the British Nationality Act 1981, they can give you notice in writing. However, under Section 45A of the British Nationality Act, they can deprive you without notification, and there are 4 main situations where this can happen. So, because of national security, because of investigation or prosecution of organised or serious crime, because of the UK's relationship with another country, and also if they are preventing the risk and ensuring the safety of another person, they can deprive you without notifying you. So Section 42 of the British Nationality Act talks about one's conduct not being conducive to the public good. The Secretary of State cannot deprive citizenship if it will make a person stateless. That is Section 44 of the British Nationality Act. However, if the Secretary of State believes that you can become a citizen of another country, they can still decide to deprive you, even though you may end up becoming stateless. So, what are the effects of deprivation? So, if you're naturalized as a British citizen or you were born here, if they deprive you of your citizenship, you do not have a stay in the country. So you would have to find another route to stay in the country. You'd have to make another application, for example, for 2.5 years. Although you can find another route, I think we also have to be aware of the fact that the suitability requirements under the immigration rules do consider misrepresentation, concealment, or fraud as a reason for refusal. So even though there are other routes of getting your stay in the country, you have to be mindful of that as well. So what can you do if they deprive you of your citizenship and they give you notice? You have 14 days to appeal. That's in country, and then 28 days out of country. And this will usually go to the appeal immigration tribunal. The only time where the appeal will go to SIAC is where you have your conduct was so serious that it was not conducive to the public good. So yes, that is a little I will say in regards to citizenship and deprivation of your British citizenship. Thank you.
Thank you very much, lawyer Deborah. For him say, Yemrena Obi send a message. What please, more than 100 times now. We dear miss so Emrene call. Yeah, now we're supposed to finish at 11. You know, na kakra beto so a office nso we dwuma or so moye. Uncle Ben, and then paucho a day now the vijaye.
Well, Manyati, ain't in Komaya di Yakano Akan Kasem. I'm Samanya, all program Sundays, no. I'm say, be a match out 10 minutes from Yamea Duma Sunday, Yukui. I be di Yabrabon Komo, Yabekankra, in Woga, Bebe Piliake, in Woga, be a ganyo Jimmy a fomiga, in yoga kong, Kakina, Kashito, ewo in yoga, ewo Kaje Uchine, o program no fio. 10 minutes of Mabame, ni Wagbasande. The Amaya is my video, I'm say next week, your social media for the share. But I know you're brofo, into my how I bet me affect you. It's only 3 minutes. Sana Baya Beboa will be into a bar. Momfan and Mama down for 4, near you and share. But and what are the Americans say a damn in answer? So now what you be a mobile in simu form because say a frayer home community lawyers and a some woman my animal pie boa modi DH and Jessica pie bono a boy empire and Timoncoso na mon share but also no yendidi a home como na yama mananti asie se ene no nko ani ntimi ngina entina ko omo ye den a omo ye Ghana nyame hwe na echina Fanti QC KC, the only lawyer from Elmina and Cape Coast, Central Region, Brunei. Lawyer Charles Asma. You say I'll buy on Kafante. Brofono ebeba. But so Oba Tridi and so Oba Kafante. Na yɛmfa ne nyinaa mpo nti nkran English twi fante ne nyinaa bɛdu baabi koraa yɛbɛka German na French.
City for a better na ahwefo nso yɛbɛda mas my idea mu ahyase do this hour wobɛnya ne see na wode ato anamo enne nkɔmɔ no dwene ho yie na to ho anamo because ɛbɛyɛ ya sɛ wonenam hɔ nanso we be say we tiase wu na kyerɛ sɛ yɛatwitwa wantaba na ne ɛya wo mu paa nka bɛnka sɛ wonnim wo Ghana wo kuro bia so a yɛbɛtumi agye wetu kwan a holiday wakɔ akɔgye w'ani nkanka mo twitwa ticket ɛkɔ summer holiday a ɛbɛyi na wakɔtwa w'ani ase 4 weeks na afei wo return early September na wo de wo mba ne ade a yɛsɛ yɛtutu wo ho ntaban enti no waka wo kuro mu hɔ ɔbɛyɛ den it is very very important na yɛmfa ntoto yɛ abrabɔ ho na yɛnhwɛ yie yɛnya hwɛ yie ɛno na ehia media ne manyeti nyame yɛ adom ɔkyena community and the law ɛba so den ya yɛnua bɛma oreku fam prom bɛdi mu akotene na yɛncha lawyer baako pɛ lawyer Charles Asman so ɛbɛyɛ yɛn resource person meda mo nyinaa sɛ mo hwɛ fiti beginning mo a mentumi ambobɔ mudin amfa nkyɛ akɛse ama mo wɔ platform ne so nyinaa mo mfa nkyɛ me ɛnyɛ boapɔyɛ ɛyɛ anamre no ɛnso ka mo a mo frɛ ya yɛntumi ampik no nso mo mfa nkyɛ ɛna mo a wagya voice note bɛyɛ mmiɛnsa aka please 50 ɔkyena mɛsɛ no wo question no ɛde akɔma lawyer Asma no eyi ano ɛde amo nyame nkan nyame nhyira na sɛ ne yɛbɛsɛ nhyɛ bio bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214-218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.